Good morning. Today I will show you some updates I did to my bike check. So, this is my bike check today. As we said in the last video, the frame is Haro F1C. It is 28.6 of 2 years ago. The bars are S&M Grand Slam XLT 8.25. The grips are Audi Long Neck XL, as we can see, cut. The bar ends are Stolen Vortex. The stem is S&M Redneck XLT Stay Strong. The forks are new, are S&M Pitchfork XLT. The front wheel is Eclat Exodus, laced to a stolen roulette front hub with a G-Sport plant hub guard and a stolen peg. The front tire is Fit FAF Downwall 2.25. Yes, the seat is Odyssey Senior 2 Herringbone Edition. The seat post is stolen, Thermalite slammed, and the seat clamp is Animal. Then the bottom bracket is Fit American. Then the cranks are Fit Flow cranks, and the pedals are Odyssey Twisted PC in clean. I like them very much. And then the sprocket is Animal Venus sprocket 25 tooth. The chain is stolen half link chain. The rear wheel is Eclat Exodus laced to stolen roulette cassette 9 tooth with G-Sport gland half guard and stolen peg. And the rear tire is Fit FAF Downwall 2.25.